Is unhealthy snack a hindrance to your weight loss journey? In this video, I'm going to share with you a snack that is very healthy and you don't need oil to fry it, and is low in cholesterol and is high in fiber, and it will help you maintain healthy weight. Hi, my name is Mfon. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how to make plantain chips without frying, and it's very healthy and delicious, and it will be a go-to snack that you can have in your refrigerator, and you will not feel any guilt of eating unhealthy snacks. So first of all, you peel your plantain. After peeling it, you preheat the oven to 350 degrees and put a parchment paper onto your pan, your cooking tray, and then you cut the plantain into smaller sizes, just like what I'm doing here. So after that, you add salt and garlic powder and pepper, cayenne pepper. You can add the spice you're comfortable with. I like mine a little spicy. You mix it all up, and then you add a tablespoon of olive oil and mix it, and then you turn it into your cooking pan and then put it in the oven for like 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you have your plantain chips at home, healthy, no frying, and it's delicious as well. I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. And look at that. Isn't it delicious already? I know it is. So after everything is done, you allow it to cool, and then you put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your refrigerator. You know what? This one doesn't have any preservative and it's very healthy. You can eat it as a snack, or you can add it as a side dish whenever you feel you need something extra, just like I do most times. And there you have it. How to make your own plantain chips at home. So here I'm taking mine out of the refrigerator, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know how it turns out for you when you make yours. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to know how to make your delicious chocolate snack at home with no sugar added, check out the video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.